Hey Twinsetters, how you going? All right, just as a quick follow-up on my GoPro 10 I bought just a few months ago. I am enjoying it. It's very user-friendly. Basically, there you go, switch that on. That's how quick it is. And then boom, I can start recording straight away. You can do it on voice control and all that sort of stuff. You can swap and go to your laps, go to your photos, go to the video. It's all very friendly, user-friendly in that particular way. The battery life on these, as with most GoPros, suck, right? You won't even get an hour out of it. And I've turned off most of the stuff that drains the battery fairly high. So, you know, I'd lucky maybe get 40 minutes, 45 minutes out of it maximum. But anyway, so that's the original casing. This goes on there, but I've recently brought the, they call it a media mode, and it's really just a casing, which is pretty cool. It comes with the windsock, but you can add all sort of extras, and plus now with these connections in here, there's 3 of them, you can connect all your stuff, your microphone, and to charge up the battery while it's in there. And it also, I've found out I can record while it's charging, so you don't have to worry about the battery going flat at that stage. Whether that overheats it or not, I don't know. I know there's been some little problems with that. But anyway, moving on, this is more or less a casing. If I can get it in there, it'd be great. Slips in, one click, done. Fantastic, right? Now, and then I connect this on with my grabber, etc., where these come out. Get the long fingernail. And it slips in. Now, the only pain in the ass is that if I want to take the SIM card out, or take the battery out and charge it and put another one in, I've got to unscrew this, take this off, pop that in, unclick it again, make sure that they're up, and then pull it out, take your battery out, do what you got to do, and then go all over again. So that's not a quick way of, you know, when you do need to change a battery quickly or whatever, or you're on the run or something's happened, you realise the battery's gone flat, etc. So yeah, so anyway, that's my follow-up. They're the bad points, the negatives, as in user-friendly, quick, great to use. I'm just getting hold of now what I can do with the settings. Now at this stage, are using just 1080/60. I know, and it's got 2.7K, I've got 4K, 5K, all that I can use, but it's no good to me because my system where I'm editing won't recognise that. And then apparently even if it does, like, it can take forever, but I'll get there on that and move on. Just a few other little extras. This is my little device I brought so that I don't have to take the SIM card out and put it into the computer, whatever. I just dash it into here, connect that to the tablet, and then I can just transfer everything over to the tablet and start my editing. Little GoPro pack here with all the little bits and pieces that I keep with me. That's really about it. This thing's fantastic, love it. Won't go off, trust me, that's a workout in itself, that grabber. Anyway, that's my follow-up. I do give it a thumbs up, but there's so many little things that they could have thought of and what have you, and I know people are apparently having some heating problems or whatever. I think that's got solved with the downloads, which I haven't done because apparently the download was causing problem, but I think that's been sorted. Anyway, that's my update on the GoPro 10 and how I feel about it. Tell me what you guys think, if you got one or you're going to get one. The 9 and the 10s are compatible with everything, which is good, but apart from that, anything under the 9s you can't match up. Cheers, guys.